Do you want to reply all your Facebook Messenger chats right on your Galaxy Watch 7? With one simple setting, so you can read and respond to all your Messenger chats without downloading that app. So for that, open the Galaxy Wearable app and make sure your watch is connected to your sync device. Now go to Watch Settings, from there to Notification, go into the app notification. But the first section only shows the watch compatible app, so you won't see Facebook or Messenger in here. Scroll down the second section where you will find all the other apps that can send notifications on your watch, even if the app is not installed there. So just make sure to toggle on Facebook and Messenger notification button. And that's it. From now on, you will get all your Facebook and especially Messenger, chat, and call notifications to your watch. You can compose and send reply to the chats right on your Watch 7. Okay, just note that you can receive the calls on your watch, but the audio will play through your synced device. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.